Hey, Stephen.
G'day, Kevin.
All right, I love to see the progress. Upper cabinets hung, base cabinets in, which is very nice. And you're doing the lighting for us?
Correct. What we decided to do in this installation is put in undercabinet tape LED lighting.
Okay. Tape LED, so literally just tape, right? So it's flexible. It's got a whole line of these little diodes right here on the back. And that's just peel and stick, right?
Correct.
Okay, and low voltage. Always low voltage with LEDs?
Yeah, this guy actually runs off a 24-volt system. So what we need to do is put a transformer in line between the 120 volt that comes out of the switch down to the 24-volt system.
So line voltage comes in here, low voltage comes out there.
Correct.
Make the connection and you bury this in a cabinet or the wall or something.
We could if we wanted to, but because we knew that we had such access underneath in the basement, we have it mounted in the basement. We have our low voltage wiring coming out,
Nice.
and this is the low voltage wire.
Oh, so you get to bring the little wire up here.
Correct.
All right, so my kids have got this stuff all over their rooms, believe it or not. It comes in big rolls, they snip it, they crimp it back together, they make turns. Basic idea, right?
Yeah, it's very, very similar. But this manufacturer, they actually come with pre-cut lengths, 2-inch, 12-inch, and 5-foot lengths.
Gotcha.
But with the benefit of the pre-cut lengths is it already has the connector installed.
So it's literally just plug and play once you figure out the lengths you need.
Once we have it all to go, plug and play.
Well, let's plug and play then. You're going with an aluminum channel instead of just sticking it to the underside.
Correct. What the aluminum channel does, allow to keep it nice and straight. Plus we're able to put in a lens cover, which helps diffuse the individual LEDs.
Okay.
Looks like it's a little short, so what we can do is we can add this extra 12-inch piece.
Oh, dead on. Comes right to the end.
Wouldn't mind snapping that diffuser in for me, please?
Oh, let there be light. Very nice. I like the warm color. Gonna be plenty of light for working on those counters. Nice job, nice and sleek look too.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.